Hello, little artists. Are you ready for a fun, fruity adventure today? We are going to draw the happiest, crunchiest friend you've ever met, a little apple buddy. First, let's start at the very top. Draw a small, sturdy stem reaching up toward the sky. Great! Now, right next to that stem, let's give our friend a vibrant, pointy leaf to wave in the breeze. Let's give our friend a body structure, a lovely, big, heart-like shape that connects everything into a perfect, crunchy apple friend. Now let's give our apple some personality. Draw a little curved eyebrow on the left and another one on the right. Look, he's already starting to look curious. Next, draw two big, round, magical eyes. They are wide open and ready to see the world. Now, for the most important part, the smile. Draw a big, happy, wide mouth. And don't forget to add those two cute little front teeth peeking out. Our friend needs to say hello. So let's draw a little arm on the left side and another little arm on the right side. Wave hello, Apple. To get around, he needs feet, so let's draw a straight leg on the left and one on the right. Now, for the magic, let's fill our friend with bright, beautiful red for his juicy apple body. Then, color his leaf a cheerful, bright green. Look at him go. Our happy apple friend is all finished and ready to play.
Hello. I love you. Come back soon. Let's draw with me and play again. Hello. I love you. Come back soon. Let's draw with me and play again.
I had so much fun drawing with you today. You did an incredible job following the story step by step. If you want more magical drawing adventures, cute characters, coloring fun, and surprise animations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep imagining. And I'll see you in our next magical art adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!